A brave redcue team saves a zebra from giant python. Welcome back, everyone. Here we have another amazing and interesting video for you all to watch and enjoy. The title of today's video, A Brave Rescue Team Rescues a Zebra from Giant Python. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. In today's video, we can see that these people are trying their best to save this poor animal who is stuck in the mud. This is really bad because if they fail to save this animal, then it might be very dangerous for them. So, without wasting any time, they jump into action. These people are really brave and they don't care about anything when it comes to saving animals. They put themselves at risk and sometimes they even sacrifice their lives to save these wild animals. So before moving forward, please take some time and show your support. It's not easy to work with snakes, especially when they are this big. But still, these people are trying their best and working hard to save this poor zebra. It's not easy to control a snake like this, but these people somehow manage to hold it. The way they hold it might seem very easy, but let me tell you, this is not an easy task. These people are trained professionals and they know how to hold and control a snake. But still, this is very dangerous because if they lose their grip on this snake, then it can turn things upside down in just a fraction of a second. We can see that this snake is very tired. And this is the reason why it's not moving much. If this snake was in its prime, then there is no one who could have saved this zebra. This snake has wrapped itself around the zebra like this, and it seems like the end is near for this zebra. But these people came at the right time and saved the life of this zebra. This snake is more than 13 feet long, and it took almost 20 men to hold this giant snake. You can also be seen in this video. Some people try to scare this snake so that it leaves this zebra alone. But this snake doesn't care about anything. All it wants to do is eat this zebra. This snake has killed many zebras before, and this time it will not leave this zebra alive. But as I said before, these people came at the right time and saved the life of this zebra. I think the people who are holding this snake should also be awarded for their bravery. They put themselves at risk and jumped into the water to save the life of this zebra. It's not easy to do that, and only brave people can do that. Hats off to these people. I would like to say thank you to these people for saving the life of this zebra. If they didn't come here on time, then this snake would have eaten this zebra, and this would have been the last moment of this zebra's life. You can see that this zebra is very weak now because it has been struggling to free itself from this snake for quite some time. The struggle of this zebra is coming to an end, and very soon this zebra will be free. This zebra is very scared, and that's why it's trying to stay as far away from this snake as possible. It doesn't want to go anywhere near this snake, and I can't blame it because the snake is more than 13 feet long, and it's a matter of life and death for this zebra. That's why it's trying to run away from this snake. But there is no use of it because the snake is too quick and will catch it in just a matter of seconds. These folks really need to get that zebra to a safe spot where the snake can't sneak up on it again. Seriously, that snake could totally go after the zebra if they're not careful. I'm just so glad these people swooped in to save the day for that poor zebra. Otherwise, this would have been the last moment of this zebra's life. I would love to see this zebra running freely in the jungle with other zebras. But this is not going to happen anytime soon because this zebra is still very weak. Fingers crossed this zebra gets its strength back super soon. Just imagine it running wild and free like all the other zebras. Seriously, it's so lucky to have these amazing people around, helping it out every step of the way. Can you believe it? These amazing folks totally saved this zebra's life. I mean, seriously, without their help, this little guy wouldn't have made it at all. It's such a heartwarming story, right? Alright. Are you ready to dive into the next video? Let's go! Check this out. In this video, we see this incredible guy really going above and beyond to free a trapped bird from a hunter's snare. Can you imagine how scared that little bird must be? It's just sitting there, helpless and confused, while this man gently works to set it free. It's heartwarming, right? You can feel the tension in the air as he carefully navigates the trap, showing so much compassion. Moments like this remind us of the bond we share with nature and the importance of protecting our feathered friends. It's a beautiful reminder that kindness can make a huge difference. This man is cutting the rope with a knife, and hopefully this bird will be free in just a few moments. It took this bird almost 2 hours to get freed from this hunter's trap, but thankfully, this man came here and saved the life of this bird. This bird is very scared because it has been trapped here for quite some time. But this man is trying to calm it down by speaking to it very softly. I am very happy that this man cares about this bird and wants to free it from this trap as soon as possible. I think this man is an animal rights activist. That's why he wants to free this bird from this hunter's trap. This bird will be very happy to go back home and meet its family members. It must be very scary for it to spend so much time alone in this forest. And this is the reason why this bird is very scared, and that's why this man is trying to calm this bird down by speaking to it very softly. I am very happy that this man has freed this bird from this trap. If this man didn't come here on time, then this bird would have died. This bird is very weak now because it has been struggling to free itself from this trap for quite some time. And that's why it's not moving much. I hope this bird gains its strength back as soon as possible. And I would love to see it flying high up in the sky. The sound of this saw is very scary, and it must be very scary for this monkey to listen to this sound. But this monkey is very lucky to have these people in its life. If these people didn't come here on time, then this monkey would have died. These people are trying to calm this monkey down. They are speaking to it very softly. And I think this monkey understands what these people are saying. This monkey is very scared, and that's why it's trembling like this. This monkey is caught in a hunter's trap, and these people are trying to free this monkey from this trap. I think these people are doing a great job. And I would love to see more videos of these people saving animals from hunters. Let's see how these people free this monkey from this trap. These people have freed this monkey from this trap, and now they are taking it out of the water. I am very happy that this monkey is safe, and I would love to see it playing around in the jungle with other monkeys. This monkey is very lucky to have these people in its life. If these people didn't come here on time, then this monkey would have died. This monkey is very weak now because it has been struggling to free itself from this trap for quite some time, and that's why it's not moving much. I hope this monkey gains its strength back as soon as possible. And I would love to see it swinging on trees like other monkeys. That's all for today. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really did enjoy this video, then please show your support. We will see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace out.